హలో ఆల్, వెల్కమ్ టు మగవా టీవీ. నా పేరు మాయా. ఈరోజు మనం డైట్ అండ్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, ఇన్ ఫిట్నెస్ జర్నీ మెయిన్ focus should be on the diet. The second focus should be on the exercise, and the main important thing is rest, that is sleep. You should have your sleep on time, you should have your food on time, and you should exercise for 4 to 5 days a week. And before starting your fitness, you have to track your weight, early morning weight, and you have to check your measurements for inch loss so that you get motivated and continue your journey. And you should not check your weight every day in the morning. You should track your weight every 15 days so that you will see inch loss and you'll be focused and you'll be motivated to do more and more and follow the diet properly. Yeah, let's scoop into how to take the body measurements. Weight loss journey చేసే ముందు body measurements ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి చూద్దాం. Now this is a normal measuring tape. You can buy it anywhere online or you can buy it from a tailoring shop. Now body measurements includes chest, waist, hips and your thighs. These four are the main measurements which you have to definitely take it before starting your weight loss journey. Now next comes how we have to take the measurements. Body measurements ela teeskovali, let's see. And remember this, you should always take your own measurements. If you take the measurements with the help of your husband or your mother or your sister or any helper in the house, they will not take the proper measurements. So you have to track your own inches. Now let me show you how. So this is a normal measuring tape. The first goes the chest. See my hands? It should be directly over your chest, not over the bust or under the bust. It should be right at the chest. So next comes your waist. Now your waist is divided into two, that is the upper waist and the lower waist. So let's see how do we take the upper waist. It's again with one hand, and this is gonna be your upper waist. And the lower waist will be below the belly point, that is also called as navel. This is your lower waist. Okay, lastly would be the thigh measurements. So let's see how do we take it. As simple as that. So before starting any exercise regime, you have to definitely do a little bit of warm up to avoid injuries to your body. So let's see how simple these warm up exercises are, and you can do it anywhere, any place, at home or at the gym, even at your workplace in a small cabin. So let's go for this. Okay, so let's do some core yoga today. So we'll be going to do 3 variations, that is baby pose, a plank pose and a cobra pose. Let's see how we do it. So first we are going to see how we do a cobra pose. So the posture for the cobra pose will be, you should lie on your belly, your hands should be beside your ribs, your legs and pelvis should be rooted to the ground. Inhale and lift your chest. See how do we do it. So what are the benefits of cobra pose? It improves your blood circulation, it reduces your stress, it improves relieves your back pain, and improves your posture and flexibility. So people out there who are suffering from back pain, please add this to your regime. Who are going through stress, lot of stress, please do these before sleeping. So the next pose would be a child pose. It is also known as a baby pose. So let's see how we do it. You're counting? So this was a baby pose, and the benefits of baby pose are it improves your constipation, it improves your stress, it gives flexibility to the body, it opens your hips, basically the hip muscles. So people out there who are constipated or have back pain issues, please add this to your regime and see the benefit. Now let's look into how a plank pose would be. Let's see. So the benefits of plank pose is it gives a healthy posture to your body. It balances and coordinates your body. It works on your core strength and definitely improves your circulation. So make a point to add planks in your routine every single day. So women out there, don't stress about your weight. Try these simple exercises at home with a proper diet, with proper rest, and definitely you will see the results. For more updates, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon. Thank you.